It's often said that dream and do something about it, and we have somebody who has done something about their dreams. Meet Yashodan and Jyotsna. So where do you work?
So I work in Deloitte.
And I work in Accenture.
They have booked their first dream home in Prasoon Adara. What was that factor which clicked before buying a home here?
As a working professional, so we often have meetings at the same time. We were facing some difficulties and having the call at the same time. That's when we realized we should go for a new, more spacious 3 BHK flat.
And so that our parents will also have space of their own and a child will also have a space of their own.
So how many apartments did you take or how many projects did you take before this?
This was the second one. Whatever we saw after that, this was the benchmark for that. We saw 3 to 4 sites after this, but no one was as good as this one.
What did you find best in Prasoon Adara?
The location situated in the heart of Karadi, highly demand area. The schools are nearby, schools, offices, vegetable markets, malls are also within the 5 kilometers of radius. So we are staying in the area since over 10 years now. So when we planned for buying the new home, it was clear in our mind that we will be buying home in this area only, not in the upper Karadi or Karadi annex.
Both of your offices are convenient from this
Yeah,
location?
those are within 5 kilometers.
of radius.
You checked many flats, especially in Prasoon Adara. What was that factor in these 3 BHK homes you like?
We kept comparing this flat with others. This was like a benchmark. In Prasoon Adara, there is more space. This is the 1307 square feet of area. But in others, they said that it is a 3 BHK. It was very compact. It was like a 2 BHK
The carpet area.
carpet
Yes,
area.
yes.
Second thing is, I love the feature in Prasoon Adara. It is spacious.
When we planned to go for searching new flat, right? So there are 2 special ladies in my life, like my wife, she wanted a big kitchen, and my mother, she wanted a big balcony. Both the boxes were checked in the Prasoon Adara.
What about the amenities?
Amenities are top notch here. Whatever amenities we require that are there, and they have more as well. The main thing is co-working space, which is a new amenity added now. It is very convenient that we go in our building only, we work there, and we don't have to leave our home looking at the current hybrid model. So there are child play area, even the senior citizen area where our parents could go and spend their leisure time.
All amenities are under one roof. We don't have to go here and there.
What about him? Does he like swimming? And
Yeah, of course, like he
He likes
likes to play with the water.
so how did you find the pricing factor in Prasoon Adara?
This area is situated in heart of the Karadi. Other flats in this Karadi area only, as compared to this, those were seem to be costly. Paying the same amount in the other area would not be the good thing, but this would be like in the
Value for
near-
money.
Buying
Value for money.
What about the builder? Did you hear already about Prasoon Spaces?
Yes, we were told that Prasoon Sarvam, which is the another project, it was delivered on time, I guess before time. In spite of Corona, it was delivered before time. That is where we trusted this builder and we opted to go for it.
Do you come and check more often the progress and everything? How do you find
Yes.
हम हमेशा इसको जब राउंड मारना होता है तो हम इसको लेके आते हैं, we'll see the progress has gone, how it is delivering. We keep on
We
coming
often
in the
come,
area.
yeah.
in particularly about amenities? What do you find most attractive considering your 3 generations living under one roof?
Looking at the amenities, it has everything for everyone, be it our generation or the child or our parents. Parents have their own space where they can spend their time on the senior citizen area. Our child can go and play whenever he wants, and we have our co-working space.
We have a mini theater as well. We can go there, watch movies, videos, or the marriage videos. So we also have an open gym as well as yoga center over there.
How would you sum up your buying decision?
Position within 2 years, if we compare it with the other sites, this will be a life event for us. Though it is a bit late for us, so we wanted to.
Make it grand. Right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Very nice. Congratulations to you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.